Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Do you remember the fattest woman in the world? See how she looks now. Odds were 24-year-old Amber Rashdi wouldn't live to see 30 unless the woman weighing 600 plus pounds made some serious changes. Fed up, she finally did just that. Most people in their 20s spend their lives on the go, but that wasn't the case for 24-year-old Amber Rashdi from Truthdale, Oregon. At 657 pounds, she was basically homebound. Because of her weight, Amber couldn't bath herself, fit behind the wheel to drive, or even stand for more than 30 minutes at a time. When she did leave the house, she needed a motorized scooter to get around. As a result, she couldn't work or support herself, so Amber lived at home with her parents. Weight has been a problem for Amber her entire life. By the young age of 5, she already weighed nearly 160 pounds. Food was never really about nourishment, but rather an outlet for her emotions. "I have a lot of anxiety and I am at peace when I eat," she admitted. Amber's loved ones didn't really know how to help. They were well-meaning, but also only enabled her unhealthy habits. And as Amber continued gaining more and more weight, change started to feel impossible. "I've tried so hard, so many times, to change the way I eat," she said. "But I can't. I'm already such a failure. Why not just keep failing?" Shame can hold a person captive. Thankfully, God inspired Amber to better her life through the TLC TV show, My 600-Pound Life. Amber Rashdi appeared on My 600-Pound Life in 2014, desperate to change her life. She and her parents traveled to Houston, Texas to see the show's doctor, Dr. Yonan Nozardian. This was a turning point for the woman weighing 600 plus pounds, and eventually, she and her family moved to Houston so Amber could continue her treatment with Dr. Nozardian. To get started on her weight loss journey, Amber made 3 changes. The first was diet. She needed to reduce the number of calories she was taking in each day. At the same time, she slowly increased her level of physical activity. These 2 changes helped Amber get to the next step. After losing 20 pounds on her round, Dr. Yonan Nozardian agreed to perform gastric bypass surgery. Some folks desperate to lose weight look at gastric bypass surgery as a quick fix, but Amber is quick to point out the procedure is not a solution to obesity, but rather a tool to get folks on the right track. "I think mostly what is gastric bypass does is buy an overweight person time to learn new habits, get into therapy, and learn to make better choices on their own," she said. Without a true commitment to a healthier lifestyle, the surgery won't work. Amber's weight loss journey wasn't just about losing weight, it was about a better, healthier life. Amber stuck with the changes to her lifestyle. She also got to a therapist to deal with the anxiety issues behind her overeating. And because of her dedication and perseverance, Amber saw a true transformation. Through calorie counting, portion control, and exercise, she succeeded in losing more than 400 pounds over the years after appearing on My 600-Pound Life. Thousands of people have been inspired following Amber's real-life weight loss journey. Amber never expected her story to move so many, but she's truly honored to have so many supporters following her on social media, even though her appearance on TLC was years ago. And Amber's incredible overcomer story is proof that it's never too late to change. "I can do all things through Christ, who strengthens me."
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.